frost advisory for one portion of our area. It's involving cold water as we look off to the south and east, and that's where the coolest temperatures are. There, of course, are some spots that are a little bit cooler than others, even though our temperature's at 34 in Fremont right now. That's kind of the anomaly. 39 in cold water where we're seeing that frost advisory, but keep in mind, just because the temperature at the surface is just a little bit warmer, as we head toward the ground level, it is a little bit cooler, so frost is possible. Our winds are up, though, and that's one thing that's kept that out of here. And you look at why it's so chilly in Fremont compared to everywhere else is we have calm winds versus a pretty strong southwest breeze. But when you add that southwest breeze, it is really chilly. It feels like 31, feels like 33 and then 31 respectively in Battle Creek. So that is what you're going to feel this morning heading out the door. A little bit of rain to the north. Fox 17 live radar keeps it there. This is all part of a system that is going to continue to kind of stick around with us. And this is going to provide us with a glancing shower later on. But as we zoom back in, we'll have most of the day is dry. This is not a widespread rain, but as we look at future track HD by 1:45, remaining dry. We'll see a few clouds around, but not as much. And then we see showers develop by 4 or 5 o'clock. And this is where they're going to start to stream in from as this frontal system dips further south. And you see that we clear out overnight and respectively cool down. So here's what's going on. 53 degrees to start the morning. Southwest breeze 15 to 20 is going to make it feel a little chillier throughout the day. You look at 64 degrees by 4 o'clock. We have scattered showers, as I mentioned, especially as we go toward the south. And then another thing to note, look at this. Sunset is officially at 9 o'clock. If that doesn't feel closer to summer, then I don't know what does, because we are seeing that light stay much later, and it's tougher for me to fall asleep as a result. So we have that rain moving through. Not much more going on than that, at least locally. We stayed dry for once. There's no snow. There's no grapple, which is that little snow pellet. It was not hail. It was grapple. We had it's a little bit of a snow pellet here moving forward. So we had that colder air, and that's going to stay there. But this warmer air off to our west is really going to build in courtesy of high pressure, and that is what's going to slide in here over the next several days. It's going to keep us warmer and drier. Really, we're going to stay rain-free for the most part over the next several days, and that's going to provide us with a warmer, drier week, finally. So we're at 62 tomorrow. We're at 66 on Wednesday, 68 on Thursday. And then we're back into the 70s as we head toward the weekend. Not even any readings in the 30s, although there will be some spots in the 30s, of course, especially further north that you go at these times. But then we're back into the 50-degree range even in the morning as we look at a drier, warmer weekend.